pussy, I make niggas eat it. Nasty hood niggas my type like I'm sweetie. I never come through, he be begging to see me. I need too much me time, he think I'm conceited. I like to get my shit A from the back. I like how he look with his face in my ass. I grab his head and start throwing it back. Now he stay on my line, had to tell him relax. I'm from the south, so you know this is homegrown. I'm trying to get sucked like a snow cone. Blocking my hoes when I won't, cause they gon' find a way. They keep calling me
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Exclusiiive, and I'm back with another video. And I know I haven't been here in a long time, but it's okay. We're gonna talk about that in another video. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I install my wig from my hair company. If y'all want this wig, the link to it will be in the description box below. This was a 150 density 13x4 transparent straight 26-inch wig, I believe. And right now y'all just see me showing y'all everything that comes in the order. When you shop with us, you get lashes, wig cap, and an edge brush. And if you spend 150 or more, you get an elastic band. And if you spend 300 or more, you get a bonnet. And so, as y'all can see, look at this wig, y'all. It looks so good. It's pre-plucked already with baby hair. So, I barely had to go in there and pluck it. But I'm going to show y'all how I installed this wig step by step for the first time. So, the first thing I did was go ahead and mix up the Quick Blue bleach in 30 developer. I like the Quick Blue better than the BW2 because this one just, I think it's like it make it, I don't know, it move faster, a tone lighter, I don't know. It do one of them, but it works so much better. So you're just going to mix the bleach until you get a creamy sour cream look. After that, then you're going to go ahead and just apply it to the lace. Before we apply the bleach to the lace, I went ahead and took a hot comb and I pressed all the baby hairs to the back. After getting all of my baby hairs pressed to the back, I then flip the wig over so that the lace could be facing up so that it can be easier for me to apply the bleach to the lace. So once I get it on the mannequin the way that I want it and on there steady so it don't get the sliding, I then get my bleach and go ahead and apply the bleach evenly. I make sure that it's on there, like when I say evenly, it don't need to be thick in one side and thin in another, because it's gonna be too bleached on one side and not bleached enough on another. Next, after getting the lace fully covered in bleach, we're going to let it sit for a good 28 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and do the bald head cap method on my head while I let it wait. So first thing I did was take the Eco Styling Clear Gel and go along my baby hairs and edges and push them back so that they wouldn't get any glue residue on them. After getting all of my edges pushed back, I now apply the stocking cap that came inside of my exclusive box, which should also come inside of yours. I applied it onto my head and I pulled it all the way down so it can cover my whole entire face like a mask. Because the more that you stretch it, the thinner it is. And these stocking caps are very, very thin, but if you stretch them out, they'll get even thinner so they can blend with your skin. And I had to get in the mirror because I was having really hard time cutting out the ear holes and the eye holes. So that's why you see the mask. I mean, that's why you still see the cap over my face, because I couldn't cut out the eyes without cutting holes into the cap and messing it up. So I was only able to cut out the ear holes and not the eyes. So after finally getting it situated on my head the way I wanted it, I then go in with the Got To Be Glue Free Spray and then some spritz, and then I just blow my blow dryer over the wet spot until it gets hard, dry, and you know, ready and firm so that I can apply my wig to my head. All right, y'all. So now we're gonna go in with this shit. So next, we're going to just go in and put these little dots where I already sprayed the spritz in the Got To Be. So I accidentally put too much glue and it started dripping or whatever. So you make sure you don't put too much. A little goes a long way because the glue is real runny. So you're just going to apply it to the hairline and push it back and smooth it out and Then you're going to go in with your hair dryer, and you're going to do this 4 times, and each time you have to make sure that it dries all the way clear, or else you're going to be in the predicament that I was in. So after letting my stocking cap go ahead and dry on my head, I went and checked on my wig. So as you can see that the knots were bleached or whatever. So I went in with some of my Dollar Store shampoo and conditioner to wash the lace. And then I went in with purple shampoo and I put that on the front and back of the lace because it also helps so that the lace won't have that orange color. It looks more natural other than that orange color or whatever. So I went in and put that on the front and the back of the lace. And then I rinsed it out. After rinsing it out, I went ahead and dried it a little bit so that I can pluck it. I didn't dry it all the way because I like to pluck my hair while it's wet so that I can see the hairline better. It makes it look more natural. Like, I can't really explain it because, like I told y'all, this is my first time doing this, but this is what works for me. It also makes the hairline look a little bit more natural. So what y'all see me doing right now is just parting it so I can make sure that it was bleached evenly and to make sure that it looks like scalp in the back as well before I go ahead and separate the hairline and the baby hairs so that I can know what to and what not to pluck. I really don't have a plucking method. Once again, this is my first time, so I just went in for what I know. As you can see, I'm showing y'all what I'm about to pluck and what I'm not about to pluck. So I'm not really gonna talk right here because, like I said, I don't know what I did. I just was doing it, and whatever looked good, that's just what I did. So what I did right here is take that wax stick and separate it so I can make sure that I don't pluck the wrong thing and I also pluck the right things. Alright, y'all, I can't figure out how to get rid of this residue, so this what the fuck it look like under the cap. Y'all, this shit gonna look like a fucking disaster. So, like I said, if you put too much glue, it will be cakey and it will be harder for it to dry. It will never dry clear, and you're gonna be in a predicament like me, looking crazy like this. So this is how I fixed it, y'all. Make sure y'all get a foundation that's powdered and get it closer to your color. All the makeup stores should have testers, so make sure you test it on your skin before you purchase it, because I don't know if you could return it, but I know at the beauty supply you can't return it. So I made sure to test it on my skin before buying my foundation. Okay, y'all, so I know y'all was gonna be like, how did you get rid of the residue? Because I had that problem. So I said I wasn't gonna really, crop that much out of the videos because I'm a beginner. This is my first time as well. So if I actually do make this wig look good at the end, I know y'all was gonna want to see. So what I'm doing right now, that I'm fixing it, because right here, as y'all can see, it's so cakey right here. So I'm trying to fix that on this side. And what I'm doing right now is just spraying. Got to be glue and drying it. So I'm gonna come back when it's finished. Let's see. So this is what I was able to get. Like I said, make sure the next time that y'all do this, that y'all don't put too much glue so y'all won't be in a predicament like me. But if y'all did happen to do that, this is how you fix it. But next we're gonna go ahead and put just a little foundation on the lace so that it can look natural on my skin color as well. You can't see the back of the cap. So after I was able to put the foundation on the lace, I put the wig on my head to try it on. All wigs come with a secure strap in the back, so as you can see, I tightened that up so that it can be more secure on the back of my head. I finally cut the back of the wig cap. I don't cut the back of the wig caps until I finally get my until I finally get the confirmed of what my wig is gonna look like on my head. So right now you see me parting because I decided to do a side part for this install. So right now I'm trying to get a deep side part. And as y'all can see, it's already giving very much scalp right there in the back. Y'all can see, don't play. But as y'all can see, I have to get in the mirror because this is my first time. So I have to make sure this part was perfect. Because if the part is messed up, the whole install gonna be messed up. Alright y'all, since we coming to the final part of this video, which is the gluing on and bull crap, I just want y'all to know that this shit was hard as fuck. Y'all hairstylists is wrong for canceling on us because we cannot do this ourselves. I cannot do this. So here go my glue. I'm finna use, and I'm just finna put it along the edges and shoot and whatnot. I'm finna clean up my edges a little bit more. So I'm finna. So after I finally got my wig cap to blend to my liking using the makeup and adding the makeup to my lace, I went in and took a towel and cleaned my hairline with alcohol so that my glue could stick and my lace could stick as well. So after doing that, I took the glue and went along my hairline, putting dots on. Like I said, a little goes a long way. Don't put a lot. The cakier it gets, the longer it'll take to dry, and it will never dry clear. The thinner it is, the faster it'll dry, and it will dry clear. So I took whatever this is that I decided to use to spread it out. I took that and went ahead and spreaded it so that it could be thin. Also, make sure you shop with me, shop exclusive. The link will be in the description box. That's the wig that I am using, exclusive extensions. That's the only hair that I use in my head unless I was paid to promote it. If I was not paid to promote it, then it's my hair. And also, if you spend $150 or more, you're receiving this elastic band so that we can keep the wig mighty and tight. So I'm going to come back to y'all after I apply the 4th layer of glue. So after the 4th layer has finally dried clear on my head, I then go in with applying my wig to my head. So right now I'm making sure that the lace is from ear to ear. I make sure the lace is from ear to ear. So after the lace is secured on my head, I then go in with my scissors and cut off the extra lace. And after the extra lace has been cut off, I then pull my lace up and take the comb and scratch it on the lace so that the knots can get glued in and the lace can get a tight hold. So after getting my lace melted, I go ahead and separate my baby hairs from my wig so that I can know what else I need to pluck and what else I don't. So I take my elastic exclusive band and put that on my lace so that it can melt my lace while I pluck and part and style my hair. As y'all can see, like, this is so full. Like, we gotta get rid of that. So I'm finna go get my hot comb or whatever, and I'm finna get the plucking. So like I said, I didn't record myself plucking because I really didn't have a plucking method because I'm a beginner. I really was just going and doing whatever I just thought I was doing right, and I was doing it. When it started looking like what I wanted it to look like, that's when I was just like, okay, this is right. So as you can see, I'm just in the mirror plucking. And when it started looking right, I was done. So this is what it looks like after I have completely plucked one side. As you can see, baby, it's giving very much scalp. I was getting tired of plucking, so I didn't really finish plucking, but I did finish plucking the side that you can see. And then I went in and cut my baby hairs. And I really didn't have a method for my baby hairs, but I put my hair into a ponytail and I just went and started doing stuff. So messy over here. I made sure to get a little flat iron as well. I got this from my local beauty supply. This is like $11.99. So I took my mini flat iron and went and curled my baby hairs before applying blue mousse. I can't think of the name of it, but it was mousse, it was blue. And applying my eco gel. Like I said, I didn't really record myself doing my baby hairs because I couldn't really get the method down packed, but this is what they look like when I was finished. Okay, y'all, so right now all I did was take my wax stick and a hot comb and flatten all my flyaways and all the humps in my head so I can get my, get my part laid down real bone straight. So that's all y'all see me do right here. And then I took my flat iron and flat ironed my hair. Alright, so this is my hairstyle, guys. It's the baby hair for me, cause what the fuck? Cause what the fuck? Cause what the fuck? I ate that shit. Swoop! I'm gonna be a hairstylist, y'all. Call me arrogant exclusive. Yeah, I'm just playing, y'all. Alright, y'all, so here goes my finished look, whatever. Which it can definitely be better. It's definitely gonna get better, and y'all know what to do. Go shop with your girl Exclusiive. This was a 24-inch. This was a 24-inch, 13 by 4 transparent frontal. Transparent wig, straight. The link to this wig will be in the description box. The link to my website will be in the description box. So y'all know what to do. Go ahead and shop with me. Make sure y'all like this video. Subscribe so you can be a part of this exclusive gang and be an exclusive babe. Period. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.